Welcome to English Quizler. Think your grammar skills are sharp enough? In this quiz, I've got 40 tricky English questions, a perfect mix of easy, medium, and advanced levels to test how well you know English. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel. Let's begin.
The correct answer is on Monday morning. The right answer is since 2019. The answer is on the shelf. The correct answer is through the tunnel. The answer is at night. The cat jumped over the fence. The picture goes above the fireplace. The correct phrase is run out of sugar. The answer is to put up with. We say looking forward to the concert. The correct answer is ran into. He'd called off the meeting. The correct phrasal verb is keep on studying. The right answer is turn down the music. Break the ice means to do something to relieve tension and start a conversation. Cost an arm and a leg mean something very expensive. Don't assume success before it happens. The idiom hit the sack means to go to bed. A silver lining means a hopeful or positive aspect in a bad situation. On the ball means being alert and competent. The right answer is any milk left in the fridge. The correct choice is every student must submit their essay. The answer is a few apples. The correct word is much patience. The correct sentence is few people attended. The right answer is some information. The correct sentence is each of the students has finished. The right answer is a lot of water. The correct article is the Eiffel Tower. The right sentence is she is an honest person. The correct answer is are available. The right form is mathematics is my favorite subject. The correct sentence is he and I are going to the conference. Ephemerals mean short-lived. Ubiquitous means found everywhere. Meticulous means extremely careful and precise. The correct form is we will have finished dinner. The right reported speech is he said he would help me. The correct answer is if I were you, I would apologize. The right sentence is the book that I borrowed was excellent.
Awesome job! How many did you get right? Let me know your score in the comments. I'd love to see how you did. If you found this quiz helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss more fun and useful English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.